This is not gonna be a scamming dropshipping video with my course link in the description. This video will provide you with valuable information so that you can literally start making money today, man. Literally, like, when this video ends, you can start making money. It's gonna be a no BS video guide showing you exactly how I made money, selling this stupid t-shirt. And you can do all this stuff for free. And if I can make hundreds selling this cum t-shirt, imagine if you had good designs, right? You could make a lot more than me. By the way, my name is Tuna. I'm the new YouTube alpha male. The new alpha male drop, babe. It's me. I'm the new online alpha male. No, I'm joking, but anyway. Yeah, I mean, I'm so close to 1,000, so, you know, help a homie out, you know, hit that sub button. Before you start making money online, before you start hustling and all that stuff, what's up with the mindset, man? Let's figure that one out first, because I know that right now you see these YouTubers with those clickbait fucking Mr. Beast ass thumbnails. Oh, I'll make 6,000 a fucking out. Fuck off, bro. Anyway, you see those guys and you're like, the fuck, I could never be like them. I could never make money online. And I'm here to tell you that I can. I'm literally from a third world country, bro. Like, my country is poorer than those fucking water bottle sandal wearing African fucking countries. So, you probably can. My life forced me into learning how to make money online. I went to the United Kingdom from Turkey to study in university, and I studied music. I know, it's fucking useless. And I said our country is poor, right? Our minimum wage in a month is $500, which is nothing. So my father could barely afford to pay for my rent at my university, and I was so broke at one point that I became homeless. Now, I was down a student visa as well, which did not allow me to get a job, so I had no other option but to turn into entrepreneurship. So I had to learn this stuff to survive, basically. But yeah, you're just learning it on YouTube. I'm giving this stuff to you for free, so enjoy. Alright, so that's some backstory. Let's talk about why this cum t-shirt is actually genius and it's not stupid. See, I just clickbaited. You thought it was stupid? No, it's genius, bro. I'm a genius. I am a fucking genius. Why would I, like, what the fuck? Look at me. Einstein over here, man. Alright, check this shit out. Alright, look at this shit. By the way, I use this as a microphone. That's why it's in my hand. Anyway, this design is actually genius because it grabs your attention. Now, you clicked on this video because you saw cum in the thumbnail. And you're like, what the fuck? He's making money from cum? Cum what? And you clicked on the video, right? That's how the lizard brain works. This t-shirt activates your lizard brain because we as humans, we're super attracted to tragedy, sex, and violence. And this one happens to be cum. I mean, sex, right? Cum is sex. I'm not gonna explain that. You probably know what. And every purchase and every decision you make in life, it is an emotional decision, 100%. So this scientist man, whatever, Antonio Damaiso, studied people with brain damage that did not feel any emotions, and what he found was that these people were not able to decide anything, like literally anything. They couldn't decide what to wear, what to eat, if they should suck their thumbs, which, if you're what the fuck, why would you even, like, no, don't suck your thumb, the fuck. What I'm trying to say is this t-shirt is actually genius because it grabs your attention, and if you're scrolling on your phone, it makes you stop scrolling. And on the internet age, getting people's attention is the #1 way of making money online. So this is actually a genius fucking idea. Like, whenever I wear this t-shirt in one of my YouTube shorts, I always get comments saying nice t-shirt. Like, I literally use this to farm fucking comments, bro. So now that we've established that this is genius, I'm also going to talk about this thing called market research, which is like a fancy way of saying if you know this t-shirt will sell. Now, I know this t-shirt will sell 100% because I have bought it myself personally. Let's go into another story. So I'm in the UK. I go to a Cryvane concert. This guy called Dimitri shows up as a supporting act. His set is pretty cool. And then at the end of the set, well, everyone's like, oh, we love you. You know, he's a musician. And then he fucking takes out this cum t-shirt. And I'm like, yeah, I'll buy that. And then I buy it. And then I wear it. And then, you know, people start taking pictures with themselves, with me, especially girls. Like, none of the guys took pictures with me. I guess the bitches love the cum t-shirt. Yeah, man. If you should buy my t-shirt if you ever wanna get girls buy it, but buy the cum t-shirt. I kind of want to get rid of some of my old clothes, so I start my own thrift store in my university for a day, and I put this t-shirt up on display. I know this works because I used to work in a thrift store before. Now I don't sell this, but it grabs attention, and people actually ask me if they could buy it. I say no, but I know that it grabs attention and people want to buy it. Now fast forward a bit more, and now I have to leave the UK to go back to Turkey, and I start putting my stuff up for sale on eBay and some other magical website that I'm gonna talk about. Just give me a minute, okay? Just stay here, I'll talk about it. And I really don't want to sell this t-shirt, right? So I put it up for 100. Obviously no one pays 100 for it, but I get over 100 likes on this website. 2 people add this shit to their cart. They're like, fucking consider buying a dumbass cum t-shirt for 100. Mind you, I bought this for 20 pounds. And at that moment, it hits me. Now, I bought this for 20. I could sell for 30, make an easy 10. So I put a discount on it, 70% discount. And this is also a nice principle that you should keep in mind. It's called the anchoring principle. And that's like 10 pounds easy profit for me. I was out for more, man. I was out for more. I wanted to make more money from that. But before we get into me making money and how you can make money and do sales, let's talk about different types of values and why this t-shirt works in some other ways. There's a functional value. So that's how much someone is willing to pay for a solution to a problem. Let's say your arm gets chopped off. Someone has like, hey man, I'll give you my arm. I don't know if that's medically possible. But it's like, hey, I'll give you my arm for like 20 pounds. You're like, oh yeah, sure, I'll buy it, right? That's functional. The social value, my product had over 100 likes and 2 people added to their cart. So when you buy it, you see, oh, 100 people want this shit, but they're not getting it. I'm getting it, man. Fuck you, 100 people. So that's status, right? People smoke cigars because it gives them some certain type of status, like these expensive watches and stuff, the fancy cars. That's all status. That's all perceived value. No one is fucking stupid. People all know no watch is worth actually like 2 million. And then there's psychological value. So that's when a customer feels able to express themselves. Like, I love this cum t-shirt. It's like an expression of myself down there, I guess. And obviously there's monetary value as well. Now let's get to the good part, the sales, the profits, and how you can do this as well. So my profit per t-shirt was 15 pounds. And all I had to do was send 2 messages. The idea of dropshipping, I think, is not flawed, but it's like not probably on your level. You need to make ads on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, whatever, right? And people are on these apps just to fucking entertain themselves, you know, keep up with the Joneses. And they're not on there to fucking buy your back scratcher. Linda's not on Facebook because she wants to buy her cat a toy, bro. She's on there to check on fucking Lindsay's arthritis. She doesn't want your back scratcher, okay? But what if there was a website where people went on there and they literally want to buy your products? They open the app and there's one thought in their mind. Yeah, I want to buy some shit. That's where sites like Depop or Vinted come in. And not eBay, mind you, because Depop or Vinted are actually like social media-ish websites as well. I would recommend you use Depop because it has higher perceived value with its design. And when people go on the app, they expect to spend money and not lowball people. So there already is a customer base for clothing on Depop. It costs nothing to run ads on it. There is actually a thing you can do where you bump up your t-shirt. And what that does is it only takes a percentage of your sale when someone buys it, and that's 8%, which is great. So you get ads for free, you get customers for free. All you have to do is provide the product, bruh. So I took pictures of the t-shirt. It was already up there and I didn't want to sell my original. What did I do? I went on eBay. I searched for custom ringer t-shirt. Found it for 10 pounds. I'm selling it for 30. That's easy 20 pounds profit. Take out the fees. That leaves me with 15 pounds profit. Easy money. According to Depop's rules, you cannot drop shit, but you can do print on demand. And that's exactly what I was doing. I want you to think of money like a river. When you're a shit muncher, right? When you're building a business, don't think of it like that. But people spend money all the time. All you have to do is Be where the money is, put your cup in, boom, you get paid. As simple as that. And let me give you another principle. This is called the MVP principle, minimum viable product. Now, building a website, running ads, all that stuff, imagine that as a car. What I have done is like a skateboard. It's still got 4 wheels and it still goes. Obviously slower, but it takes less resources to build. So if you have any business ideas, any things you want to do, start with the minimum thing that works. Don't start with a car wheel or whatever, a steering wheel. Just start with a skateboard, and then as you get sales, you build it up, and that's how you get paid while just scaling your business up. Don't fucking drop money on any business unless you know what works, right? Money in first. We're at the end of this video almost, but I am going to have to admit something. I did not make hundreds from this. I clickbaited you. But I had this idea, and 2 days later, I was making money from it. I jammed made sales. But because I'm me, I'm a goofster, I'm a gangster. Someone DM'd me on Depop asking me to buy my cum and not the t-shirt, and I called him a gay ass N-word, which resulted me in getting permanently banned from the website. Now, this should mean good news for you, because I have proven that this t-shirt works, and I've given you exact A to fucking B how to do this shit. And there is no competition in the market right now. So, here's what you're gonna do if you want to do this. You're gonna follow the exact steps that I've given you, and you're literally gonna start making money in 2 days. It's simple as that. And when you make your first sales, you know, throw me some of that money. We're cool, man. And, you know, just follow this channel and shit. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you don't hate me because I've clickbaited you. If I didn't get banned, I would have made a lot more sales. And probably I'll be in Dubai with a private jet. But here we are. So, yeah, I'll chat to you later, man.